Yeah. Hello, my beautiful people. How you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me from. So you can see the trading is trading. Yeah, it's trading. Look at my moving average here. For those that use moving average to trade as their indicator, they use indicator. See, the mouth is coming down together, is coming down. The trading is bearish. Yeah, bearish. This is euro jpy is trending downward. It's a bearish movement. Yeah, for euro jpy I'm sitting at 73. It has entered 80. Only 79 is going up and down. 89, 90. Yeah, the trading is trading. It's looking beautiful. you know yeah, euro jpy, look at the chart. It's still going down. This is looking beautiful. Then let's check what is our pounds GPY saying. Pounds GPY is also a downtrend. It's also bearish. It's going down. It's for a sell. This trading is for a sell. Yeah. Pounds GPY today being 9th of January. 9th of January. You can see the trade is trading. It's looking beautiful. Yeah, the trade is looking beautiful. Enter, I think, just three currencies. That is one, two, three, 4, 5, 6 trades. That's different. 6 trades with 3 different currency. Let's look at our chart for USGPY. I just entered the chart, the trade, all of them just now. Yeah, what is USGPY saying? It's also for a sell. Everything is sell. It's looking beautiful. It's for a sell. It's looking beautiful. It's for a sell. USGPY, dollar Japanese yen. That is the currency. This is for a sell. It's looking beautiful. Our trading is trading. You can all see today being of 9th of January 2024. You can see we're sitting at 491, 490, yeah, 490 something. Yeah, the trading is trading. It's looking all beautiful. Our chart is beautiful. See our pounds GPY is for a sell. The thing is really, see where I put my take profit. You can see my take profit here. Yeah, so is my take profit, but this trade, it will still go down. Look at it, it will still go down. So that is that for now. I just decided to show my trade. If you're a trader, let me see what you're trading. Let me see what your trade is saying. Let's look, let's see. Thank you till I come your way with another video. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my trade. Don't forget to tell me what you want to learn. So I'm gonna put up a video to teach you. Yeah, this trading is trading. It's looking all beautiful. Thank you my subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm grateful. Thank you till I come your way with yet another video. Bye for now. Bye. I love the way the trades are going. I love the way the chart is moving. Everything is perfect. It's looking beautiful. So bye for now.